Kamusta kapatid? Today is Thursday, 11th of June, 2026, and I'm supposed to run an 8 kilometer easy today, pero actually nandito na ako. The only problem is I forgot my shoes. I think kailangan kong bumalik sa bahay and get it. I'll see you later. Alright, so dito na ako kanina. Kaso naiwanan ko yung sapatos ko, putik. And muntik na akong tumakbo ng nakachinelas. I was actually thinking about it. Should I run? What a stupid idea. Anyway, medyo kailangan magmadali because late na. It's already 4 and we're gonna run 8 kilometers easy. Yeah, so kanina tinakbo ko papuntang bahay and masakit yung paa ko. I think yung sakit na yun na nararamdaman ko at start, yung parang hindi siya warmed up. Kasi after a kilometer or 500 meters, nawawala yung sakit niya. Sir? Tapos na, sir? Okay. So, that's Kuya Kim. Tapos na siya. Kararating ko pa lang. Tinder. Anyway, double time. Oo nga pala. Masakit pa rin ng ganito ko. I'm not sure why. And yeah, kailangan ko muna mag-warm up and mag-restroom. So I'll see you guys after the run. So yeah, done. Yeah, 8 kilometers. I'm not sure. Ay, hindi ko pa nakita yung result. Anyway, I was so excited to run kasi hindi ako nakatakbo kahapon. So, parang sa isip ko, this is a revenge run. Parang hindi naman. Basta, I was really looking forward to this run. And, sobrang solved na solved. Yung siguro yung nararamdaman ko sa paa ko at start, usually nangyayari yan every after a rest day. So Mondays nangyayari yan, and nangyayari na naman today. So I'm thinking kulang lang sa warm up. So from now on, mag warm up ako before running. Ganap ako ng warm up exercise before running para maiwasan ko yun. And then yung sakit ng sides ko, yung tinuro ko kanina before running, masakit siya pagising and almost hindi nagbabago pala yung feeling niya. There are certain angles or sides na paggagalaw ako, masakit siya. But then kapag mag-run ako, nawawala siya. Ngayon wala eh. Pero I'm sure usually after ko mag-drive, pag baba ko ng car sa bahay, masakit na naman siya. And yung talampakan ko, which is yung sa talampakan is very normal, parang pagod lang siya. And today's run, so nice. Hindi na muna ako nagsubok ng actually sinubukan ko, pero nagdi-drift yung mind ko, bumabalik ako sa regular form. Hindi ko siya constantly naiisip. Ang gusto ko kasi talaga sana mangyari today is just run peacefully. So actually, hindi pa ako nakapag 1 kilometer cool down kasi late na ako nakadating dito. Wala nang oras. Naglakad lang ako siguro at least 300 meters walk. I'm not sure that's enough, pero wala, hindi kaya ng time eh. Late na ako nakapunta pagdating ko pa rin. Sobrang excited ko pagdating ko dito, wala pala akong dalang shoes. So gusto ko nang tumakbo ng naka-chinelas. Pero magkaka-injury lang yan. So kailangan kong bumalik ng bahay to get my shoes. let's look at the result. Okay, 8 kilometer. Yung run na ito, yung gusto kong run. And yung breathing is consistently 3 steps inhale, 2 steps exhale. So, yun yung breathing ko today. And look at that, 157 BPM, 9 minutes average pace. So 8 kilometers, it took 1 hour and 12 minutes. Wow, tingnan natin yung ating pace. Yung ating splits. Ang splits naman, oh wow, ang taas ng heart rate. Hindi ko napansin na ganyan kataas yung heart rate. What? Pero ang saya. Solve ako, hindi ako pagod. I mean, hindi siya yung agaw hininga ba? Parang normal run siya for me. Pero ang taas ng heart rate. Bakit? That's what I need to find out. That's so weird. That's so weird. So, yun, no? Hindi ko sure kung worth it yung rest kahapon. Maayos naman yung run ko today. Will definitely run tomorrow and Saturday. Pero medyo worried ako dito sa sides ko eh. Itong right, yung soreness sa right hip. Siguro kung may makapanood nito, maybe you can provide info kung ano ito. Hindi ko sure kung magpapahinga ba tayo bukas or tatakbo tayo. We'll see kung anong nararamdaman natin. For now, yun lang muna. Maraming salamat for watching. Have an amazing rest of your day. See you guys on the next one.